Bullish Ergo cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $5.54 and $10.46 by 2030. Market experts accept Erg could reach $4.31 by 2025. Bearish Ergo market cost expectation for 2023 is 98 cents. Ergo presentation. Ergo is a blockchain with DeFi functionalities. It has an extraordinary mix of top highlights from two of the best-performing crypto projects, Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ergo gets shrewd agreements from Ethereum for its DeFi capacities and utilizations a POW agreement like Bitcoin for getting its organization. Ergo's mining convention is classified Autolycos, which is a changed rendition of the mining convention utilized by Bitcoin. This convention is intended to oppose ASIC diggers and huge mining pools, making it exceptionally energy productive. Ergo additionally restricts the digging size for every hub, which further battles the negative natural effect of the POW convention used by Bitcoin. What is Ergo? The Ergo blockchain has its own non-custodial decentralized trade called Ergo DEX. Utilizing a lengthy UTXO model, it empowers clients to move liquidity dividing among various stages Cardano organizations and Ergo. ErgoDex depends on the AMM, with tentative arrangements to carry out a request book convention on its liquidity pools. This merger of a request book convention with an AMM convention is made conceivable via Cardano's and Ergo's UTXO model. The model considers high interoperability and shared liquidity on the two blockchains. Clients are all boosted to help the ErgoDex environment. The group behind Ergo. Ergo is supported by a specialist, Sirius Group, from lead engineer Alexander Chepernoy to fellow benefactor Dmitry Meshkov. Chepernoy is a blockchain veteran, having co-wrote numerous examination papers on blockchain tech. He has chipped away at a few huge undertakings, including the NXT stage. He banded together up with Meshkov, who matches his ability in programming advancement, and the two sent off the Ergo primary net in July 2019. Ergo Key Examination. Ergo is supported by extraordinary scholastic exploration, drawing on many years of blockchain improvement and coordinating attempted and tried components to construct a strong blockchain establishment and carry out fresher, inventive cryptography. Our Ergo research tracked down the stage to have strong essentials. Beneath, we've examined a portion of Ergo's top highlights: effectiveness and unwavering quality for financial backers searching for help in certifiable monetary exchanges. Ergo is the best stage. It can uphold dApps that run typically, permitting clients to execute a plenty of undertakings with known costs. The stage's brilliant agreements can foresee whether a code will run effectively and the amount it will cost. Openness. Open administrations are a critical component of worry in the digital currency market. Frequently, normal clients don't get to use a similar security levels as excavators on a stage, yet not with Ergo. Ergo permits all clients to lead and completely confirm their exchanges with most extreme certainty without downloading the blockchain. The NIPOPOW framework empowers clients to get to the stage on any gadget, utilizing just 1 megabyte of information. Ergo current cost. Ergo is as of now worth $1.23 USD. Erg has moved 0.36% as of now with an exchanging volume of $756,544. Ergo is as of now positioned 250 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $70,599,662 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal convergence divergence from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Ergo to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Ergo value expectation 2023. Ergo, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Erg cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $1.85. Similarly as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.72 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is possible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headway. Erg is supposed to have a base worth of $1.48. Ergo value forecast 2024. In 2024, Erg cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Erg will before long outperform $3.08. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the Erg's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Erg will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.46 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.71. Ergo value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $4.31 and Erg might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ERG is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.94 and a low of $3.69 in 2025. Ergo Value Expectation 2026, assuming that Ergo effectively supports market feeling among digital currency aficionados. The ERG coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ERG will be green in 2026. The ERG is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $5.54, with a base cost of $4.92 and a typical cost of $5.17. Ergo Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ERG cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $6.40 by 2027, with a base cost of $6.15 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ERG has a most extreme value worth of $6.77. Ergo Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $7.63. In the event that ERG figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $8. Neglecting to assemble the help ERG needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $7.38. Ergo Value Expectation 2029. While ERG is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $8.61 and a yearly cost close above $9.23 in 2029. Ergo Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Ergo will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $9.84 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $10.46, averaging out at $10.09. Ergo Value Expectation 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme ERG cost in 2031 is projected to be $12.06 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $11.57. Our Ergo value forecasts are formed on specialized investigation, as it were. We utilize constant Ergo market information to refresh our site with dynamic Ergo cost expectations, utilizing specialized pointers like RSI, MACD, Fibonacci retracement, trend lines, and moving midpoints. Examine our Ergo cost expectations beneath, and the eventual fate of Ergo might actually go one way or the other. It could end up being a productive venture where exchange security is thought of. However, then again, Ergo has not been financed by any financial speculators, as it doesn't permit total exchange straightforwardness. It has additionally not been recorded on unmistakable trades like Coinbase or Binance, and that implies